On the off chance that you're searching for Algorand cost expectations, gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to as far as aims and purposes might be aware where the costs of Algorand will go from now on. We will dissect the very past costs of Algorand and will in a real sense figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity, in opposition to mainstream thinking. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each genuinely other expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master, examiners, in spite of mainstream thinking. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally unthinkable. Yet, we will make an honest effort, in spite of prevalent thinking. How about we start? Algorand, for the most part, is a public blockchain stage that was made to address versatility and security issues in other blockchain frameworks. It, all things considered, was established by Silvio Macaulay, a Turing Grant-winning PC researcher, and sent off in June 2019. The Algorand group comprises of experienced experts from different businesses, including blockchain, money, and online protection. Amazingly, a few vital elements of Algorand include versatility. Algorand utilizes an agreement calculation called unadulterated evidence of stake that permits it to handle exchanges at a high throughput, making it reasonable for enormous scope applications in an unobtrusive manner. Security. Algorand is intended to be secure against assaults by malevolent entertainers, incorporating those with critical figuring power in a significant manner. Decentralization. Algorand is a decentralized stage, meaning it truly isn't constrained by any exceptionally single element. This guarantees that the organization is certainly impervious to restriction and misrepresentation. Algorand past value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Algorand is 21 cents, and ALGO for the most part is right now position number 40 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Algorand generally is 7,116,283,425 with a market cap of $1,483,748,121, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost has shown a decent increment of 1.54% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. From most recent 7 days, the ALGO was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.69%, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and explicitly put resources into a major way. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of ALGO diminished by 28.202%, taking out an incredible normal amount of 8 cents from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent purchase and open door for speedy speculation, which generally is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change really is near 6.29%, and the cost in every practical sense circled from a genuinely least truly normal cost of 22 cents to exceptionally most extreme normal cost of 23 cents in the beyond 90 day. Algorand is somewhere near 18.62%, with the most extreme especially normal cost of the coin was around 33 cents and the base typical value of was around 28 cents in beyond 4 months. We anticipate future Algorand cost expectations. A LGO conjecture by applying profound by and large man-made consciousness helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Algorand. We give our all to for the most part gather greatest verifiable information for the ALGO coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Algorand market cap, Algorand volume, and especially not many significantly more. Assuming you especially are looking to in a real sense put resources into computerized digital currencies and basically need generally excellent profit from really your ventures. All things considered, make a point to peruse our expectations in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand value expectation 2023 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at a truly least degree of 28 cents. The ALGO cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 32 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 29 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand value expectation 2024 Algorand cost is estimate to in a real sense arrive at a practically the most reduced conceivable degree of 40 cents in 2024. According to our discoveries, the ALGO cost could arrive at a greatest for the most part conceivable degree of 49 cents with the sort of typical figure cost of 42 cents. ALGO value estimate for 2025 the cost of one Algorand really is supposed to reach at the very least degree of 57 cents in 2025. The ALGO cost can in a real sense arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of 69 cents with the typical cost of 59 cents all through 2025. Algorand Value Expectation 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo, in 2026 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to sort of reach at any rate level of 85 cents in a significant manner. The ALGO cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 97 cents with the extremely normal exchanging cost of 88 cents in an unpretentious manner. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. The cost of Algorand is in every way that really matters, anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1.25 in 2027, which is genuinely critical. The Algorand cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.52 with the typical cost of $1.29 all through 2027. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2028 the cost of Algorand is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $1.82, which is genuinely critical. The ALGO cost can for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest value worth of $2.14 with the typical worth of $1.87, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand Value Expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo, in 2029 the cost of Algorand is estimated to explicitly be at around a base worth of $2.70. The Algorand value worth can arrive at a limit of $3.10 with the typical exchanging worth of $2.80 in USD, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand Value Estimate 2030. Algorand cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $3.96 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the ALGO cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $4.77 with the typical figure cost of $4.10 in an unpretentious manner. Algorand Value Forecast 2031. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to really reach at least worth of $5.92 in 2031, or so they thought. The Algorand cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $6.93 with the genuinely normal exchanging cost of $6.08 all through 2031 in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand Value Forecast 2032. The cost of Algorand truly is anticipated to reach at a really least worth of $8.62 in 2032. The Algorand cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $10.08 with the typical exchanging cost of $8.92 all through 2032. Incredibly, what amount will Algorand be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Algorand will have a sort of least cost of $1.52 and a most extreme cost of $1.25 per ALGO. Since Algorand is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth changes radically. How much does Algorand cost in 2024? In an exceptionally significant manner. The cost of Algorand will increment as basically more financial backers engage in the task. In year 2024, Algorand will be worth about a normal cost of 42 cents, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. What will explicitly be the ALGO? Most certainly the most elevated gauge cost for 2023, or so they thought. The ALGO cost is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of 32 cents toward the finish of 2023. What is the Algorand cost today? Today Algorand certainly is exchanging at